Facundo Pellistri is a Uruguayan professional footballer who plays for Premier League club Manchester United. He was born in Montevideo to a family of Spanish and Italian origin. Pellistri holds a Spanish passport since his father's grandmother was from the city of A Coruña in Galicia. Pellistri studied in an architectural high school, receiving his school degree in September 2019. On 5 October 2020, Pellistri joined Manchester United for a reported fee of almost 10 million. He is also regarded as one of Uruguay's most promising players and has been tipped to make his national team debut in the near future. Pellistri is a youth academy graduate of Penarol and has played youth football with La Picada and River Plate Montevideo. He made his professional debut on 11 August 2019 in Penarol's 2-2 draw against Defensor Sporting. He scored his first goal on 6 November 2019 in a 3-1 win against Cerro. He started his career at La Picada and River Plate Montevideo before joining the youth system of boyhood club Penarol in 2018. Primarily a right-winger but capable of playing on either flank, Pellistri loves to showcase his excellent dribbling ability by taking on opposition defenders.